go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
After a marathon drive through some of the most dramatic terrain in the Himalayas, we finally reached our sanctuary in the spiritual heartland of Bumthang, the Ugyenling Hotel. This place is a beautiful blend of traditional architecture and modern comfort, tucked away in the pine-scented Jakar Valley. After hours in the car, the warmth of the wood-paneled rooms was exactly what we needed to reset. Here is a look at the base camp for our deep dive into the sacred sites of the East. All right, we have just arrived at Hotel Ugyenling in Bhutan, and we're in room 101 again. It seems like we are the 101 people, which, you know, at Disney, that means the rides broke down. But here, it means we have, check out this room. This is the living room.
Check out the ceiling.
That's the ceiling. We have the king and queen looking over us. It looks like we have several outlets that we can plug into. Of course, Wi-Fi. If we want them to build us a fire, they will come and build us a fire. We have a tea and coffee set up here. And then you come into the bedroom because, you know, Corey and I need 2 rooms. We're so big. And Renton had them put the 2 beds together because normally they're just twins. So he had the 2 beds put together for us. And again, look at these ceilings. And then if you just head over here to our view, we've got a balcony outside and a view of the fort. You see the fort up there? Yeah, that's from our bedroom. How fantastic is this? Now let's finish our exploration. Lights, plugs, plenty of plugs for charging our batteries. Oh, and we actually have a TV. We didn't expect to have a TV here, but yeah, there's a TV here. And then in here, we have a wardrobe, slippers, if we need to have laundry done, a place for our bags to get them out of our way. We also have a nice bathroom, as you can see here. High ceilings in here too. Rain shower. Yeah, I am blown away. What about you, Corey?
Yeah, this is amazing, as always.
So Corey and I wouldn't have had the...
We don't want to trouble people, and so we didn't want to stir up any extra
nonsense. So they have these wonderful stoves in each of the rooms for heating the room, but they also have an electric. And the last day that we had this, we didn't ask for them to build a fire because we just don't want to be trouble to people. Well, the heater had other ideas. Hold it, it's working now. He did the whole thing.
He messed with it and got it working again. But it's worked before. And
yeah,
it cuts
and
off,
then
so
it cuts off.
But there's a short in the wire.
Yeah. So we've got 2 forms of heat now. But now we have a fire. So if it goes out again, we're going to be fine. We'll be warm. Always an adventure.
Always.
That's it for this deep dive into our past adventures. We are so glad you hung out with us. if you enjoy videos like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.